and today Vlogmas day, not 5. Oh yeah, 6. And today we're gonna be doing a kind of like maintenance slash low day, cause it's kind of like we're not going out nowhere. We're just gonna go ahead and pamper ourselves today. So my nail tech, she's sending me nails I need. She's sending me today. Well, she sent it a while ago. It's just coming today. And I'm just putting on my clothes. We ordered pizza. And I'm going to go ahead and do my hair up so I can get ready and do TikToks. And also, I might do my makeup, so I might do you guys with that with me. So I'm going to do my makeup and, yeah, and get our area set up to do TikToks. Because I want to do it in my room. I usually do it right here or downstairs, or I usually do it anywhere. I've been doing mostly some of my TikToks in my brother's room and my sister's room. So, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and start up. I'm going to wait for my box to get here. Then we can record that. I'm going to go ahead and just put on my clothes. Then I'm going to go ahead and do my hair. Because my hair, you guys see my other vlog where I did my hair all up and with a swoop. Because I've never done that before. I'm going to redo that up. And just put the hair on and walk out like that. Then I got to do my makeup. So, see you guys in bed after I finish cleaning my bed.
Show signs to stop, and I brought me some corn for papa. The lights are turned way down low. Let it snow. When we finally kiss goodnight, how I'll hate going out in the storm. But if you really hold me tight, all the way home I'll be warm. Let it snow and snow. Let it snow. The lights are turned way down low. Let it snow and snow. Let it snow. Let it snow. Let it snow. Let it snow. The lights are turned way down low. Let it snow and snow. all the way home I'll be warm. the show sign to stop, and I brought me some corn for Papa. The lights are turned way down low. Let it snow, let it snow. When we finally kiss goodnight, how I'll hate going out in the storm. But if you really
doing tags on my video, creating a title from
I'm not from you. I'm from you. The little bug right there. You see that? I'm just kidding. She ain't no bug. She's a little cute baby.
he's off limits. Anyways,
What?
I'm supposed to be doing all that, and I'm over here
On TikTok.
on TikTok
TikTok.
talking about sweaters, cause I need a sweater for the 3rd of December, cause today's the 3rd of December. Happy 3rd of December, guys.
This is my third December for 4 months. I already got my third December out. Well, this is probably gonna be part of your video.
I already got videos up until what's today?
Today's third.
Saturday. I have videos up to Monday.
I need to edit my
But
video.
still edit. Those videos keep failing to download. Anyways, stop recording me before I call the cops.
Call him, Pow. Call the Pow Pow.
I will.
Okay, but
Stop filming me. I'm a minor.
interrupt this regular schedule program because this idiot want to be in my room.
She don't know how to hold the camera, y'all.
Actually, I've been getting better.
Excuse her.
She shut up.
It's not even on you right now.
Yes, it is. Yes, it
And
is.
it's zoomed in.
Cause your big head self. Okay, and so you can't see in the mirror. Really. Anyways, guys, my nail tech ended up sending me my nails, so now I'm gonna head put them on. I'm gonna show you guys one of them, but as I was getting them out, I kind of like messed them up. So yeah, let's go ahead and open them. She sent me these. Oh, they're so cute. I got my black and white ones I like, and she got me these red ones. Ooh, I'm saving these for my birthday because my birthday's gonna be like pretty.
Yeah.
I mean, like, it's a vibe.
I agree, girl.
These are gonna be my deals I'm gonna put on so I can do my TikToks.
Yeah.
So yeah, got my sister, my hype man.
Bro, I'm still so sick, yo.
You guys got me sick now. Now my nose is running. But earlier today, my throat was scratched. I'm like, oh my gosh, I should have been around you idiots. And I'm not talking about you. It was your fault. I'm talking about your other siblings. You know, the two little ones, one's
Ratatouille.
hacking up with a cough right now.
Ratatouille number 1, Ratatouille number 2.
And yeah, the big rat too, because he's the one that did it. He's the one that got us the train started. Love you.
Who said I did?
Oh my gosh. Anyways, guys, I look so cute. Got my makeup done. This mirror is like, for the life of me, I can't get it clean to save my life. So, comment down below. But my makeup, though, so cute. But now I'm going to go ahead and get dressed. I'm having a tough time. Should I wear this outfit? Or should I wear one of those outfits? But that one I'm saving for my birthday outfit. Or these two, either one of these two. That one, I don't want to wear that because it's hot right now. So I'm probably going to wear this outfit my sister picked out with me. Yeah. Let's see if it goes, because it kind of goes with this hairstyle. Like, who? I might change this top out. I don't know. But let's go ahead and get dressed.
I saw you standing, and I started pretending.
Got my nails done, my makeup's done, my hair's done, and I'm dressed. So I'm going to go ahead and do TikToks. I'll see you guys back after I finish them so we can do our night routine. So we'll see you guys in a bit. Also, if you guys want to know where my TikTok page is, linked down in the description box below, so go check it out. I do my skits over there and all my other good stuff. So yeah, go check me out over there. Bye!
Darwin, you speak English very well.
What? What do you think my native language is?
Fish Hispanic?
Wow, you managed to be offensive to pretty much everyone on land and sea at the same time.
Okay, keys, I am finished doing my TikToks. Ooh, this looks so cute. It matches. I'm going to wear this outfit for my pajama set because I got bottoms to go with these and it's like a whole fit. I'm going to go ahead and get started, get this makeup off so you can see I need this with this makeup off, but my hair's still done. And take a shower, get dressed into that, and probably show you what I do to unwind after my day's work of doing content. So I'm going to go ahead and get in the shower, get this makeup off, and we can go right back to what I do for the daily basis. But before I do that, I'm going to oh yeah, I'll come back to show you about that. But I'm going to be right back. See you guys a bit when I shower.
I knew you knew me too. but you were the only, 'cause so was I. And I've dreamed of it ever since. Now I've built up my confidence. The very next time you come my way, I know just what to say.
Okay, cuties, I'm back. I got my show. We're going to go ahead and start getting to our winding time. So I show you guys how I did my perfumes and how I like lotion my body afterwards. I do lotion, then I do my vitamin oil or body oil, whichever you prefer. Then I also put my perfume on. I use the same scent so I can have the scent last longer. It can work for like any scent. For me, I just want this scent in particular, the Island Beach scent that I got from Biology, which is my favorite scent. Second favorite, I like the hibiscus one. It's my favorite because with coconut, love it. But we're gonna go ahead and start watching our movie. Right now, we're gonna go ahead and watch John Wick, and we're gonna go ahead and unwind. So, yeah, come with me and watch the movie.
Hold me tight. All the way home I'll be warm. Let it snow and snow. Let it snow.
That I have to do this for you guys. You forgot to tell me to do the advent calendar. I'm like, yeah, I was about to leave. Well, today is day 6 of Vlogmas. So for our advent calendar, we gotta find 6, and she or he should be right here, the car bumper. So go ahead and open it up. Last time we got a reindeer, and I wonder what we get this time. What is this? Oh, we got a present! And we're always a gift. That was so lame, Corey. I'm lamer than my brother sometimes. But we're goofy and we still have good personality because we laugh at our own jokes. But here's a gift, and that's day 6. Day 6 is down. A whole bunch, a lot more to go. I'm really happy about this.
Good battery.
You look good, you go. You're nice.
High five.
High five.
Psych.
You're mean.
The cares? Did I get? How about the window?
It's still in high in the ceiling.
You sound sick.
Didn't get me sick, them did, but they got me sick.
It's okay.
Yeah, well. Thanks, Mom. She loves me, I swear. But, yeah, day 6. And, oh, I'm so excited because in a few more days, wait, 6 days, so, oh, exactly 4 more, no, wait, no. That, oh, I can't math. 2 more days till my birthday, and I am so excited. But I probably might be recording that a little bit early in advance, or maybe later in advance of a day's exact day of my birthday. But whatever I do, my birthday's gonna be, it's gonna be mixed up because I got a lot of content that I want to push out for you guys and I want to show you. So I might record my birthday party earlier or maybe later. I don't know for sure, but I am so excited because what we got stored for you guys and for me is exciting because all I know for sure is we're gonna get food, and that makes me happy because I love food. Food makes me happy. I don't know what it is. It is just life. Food is life for me. I'm gonna go ahead and get back to my movie, and I'm glad Kpcutie. I'm gonna let future Kpcutie tell you guys the ending of this, or actually do the outro for this part. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. See you guys next week. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel where I post a bunch of vlogs. I do daily vlogs, shopping vlogs, hauls. I do get ready with me, which is coming back for you guys, more of my makeup too. And also go check out my social media platform where I do TikToks, where I do skits over there, funny comedy over there. Go to my Instagram where I do my selfies, my images, my photos, where I'm looking the best. And go to my Twitter where I do funny little memes of the day. So go ahead and check those social media pages out. I'll link it down in the description box below with my link tree where you can go ahead and follow all of them directly. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next video. Bye, cuties. Cutie out. And also don't forget to have fun and live life. And also take time now to have a self-care day or a maintenance day, even though you be trying to push out videos or work from home, or you just generally get tired some days and you need to have like a unwinding day. Go ahead and do that. For me, I had my unwinding with my coffee. Fun day. So yeah, but see you guys next video. Bye. Cutie.
I looked at myself and I thought,
I am healthy, I am wealthy, I am rich, I am that bitch. I am gonna go get that bag and I am not gonna